Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Sony Alpha. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up exposure mode for video recording on this device. So to change it, firstly of course you need to open the second blog and first page of the second blog, first option, exposure mode. Here inside we have program auto, for example. So exposure mode controls how the camera handles exposure, so brightness of image when recording video. So program auto, so the camera automatically selects both the aperture. Aperture is how much light enters the lens, and shutter speed, how long the sensor is exposed to light. You can adjust other settings like ISO and white balance when using this setting. Aperture priority, so you set the aperture and the camera automatically select the shutter speed. This is useful if you want to control depth of field, so how much of the scene is in focus. Shutter priority, so you set the shutter speed and the camera automatically select the aperture. This is useful if you wanna to control motion blur. Motion blur is how sharp or blurry moving objects are. Manual exposure, so you manually set both the aperture and the shutter speed, and this gives you full control of exposure. It's useful in complex lighting situation. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.